Here's everything you're gonna need for this DIY: cardboard paper, glue, double-sided tape, scissors, blade, scoring tool, ruler, pencil, eraser, and sketch pens. Just your regular crafty supplies. First, we will draw out our template on cardboard paper. Don't worry if you are not great at freehand. We have got the full template ready for you to download. Just check the description box below. Now for the fun part, decorate. Make your card as colorful and creative as you like. Start folding the cutout cardboard paper along the scored lines. Once the folding is complete, apply the glue or double-sided tape as shown. Let's put it all together. Remove the tape backing and stick template 3 onto template 1. Then take template 2 and attach it to template 3. Just like this. Look at that, your Peekaboo card is almost ready. Now it's time to add those special photos. Apply double-sided tape or glue at the back and carefully align it near the box cutout area. Once aligned, stick the photo firmly to the card. Repeat the same process for the second photo. Oh no! My fingers got stuck in the tape and I misaligned the photo. Has that ever happened to you? But don't worry, I've got a fix. I'm using a blade to gently lift the photo without tearing the paper. Be super careful here. Hush, that was super close. I almost ruined the card there. This time I will use the painter's tape to mark where the photo should go first. Now press the photo firmly to the card. What do you say? Rescue mission accomplished? Now you have your handmade Peekaboo card ready. If you enjoyed making this card, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fun DIYs every week. Until next time, stay crafty and keep spreading smiles. Bye!